Hi there, Yambo Yana. Let's talk about tracing ancestral roots for the Maasais. 4 different categories: folklore, that is oral tradition, missionaries account, the third one is potential link between the Maasai and the Oromo, renewing a biblical connection. Folklore, let me say it includes a variety. Kilo loshonera at least story. Nyaga kore ndok na bodi ngar ko na na itero ko ka na ite dua loshon or Maasai. Ah, Jesus, using the word olosho sounds different. Can I just say we needed one mass speakers, the whole mass speaker thing. Mass speaker tribes. So, some say he fell from the sky, emerged from a fig tree with all the livestock. Others says Kirado Regever Torchoni Lenkiteng Onkishu. Other analysts Magandana and Egero Oldero Lesanka 1971 Ajo. We came from the lower Nile Valley to Lake Turkana, Nigibunuado. So on our route to Kerio Valley escarpment, we conquered and displaced other tribes that we found in the Great Rift Valley. Missionary account. So wherever or missionary Ojinga Harry Johnson. He said the Maasai, it could be the mass speakers at this point, are a Nilotic Negro and Hamite people. Hamite is Gala Somali. Okay. Others say we interacted or were inspired by Egyptian tribes. One of the first missionaries in Maasai land in her book Naji Road to Kilimanjaro Neja, we spotted a mummy coffin that we were certain was a Maasai warrior when touring the National Museum in Cairo. Cairo is the capital city of Egypt. On our way back, that was 1948. But when we spotted the label, it said King Tut and Kamin because there were so many displays. We assumed the Maasai had migrated downwards. So Egypt, and he was very, very sure Jor Maasai. As Nilo-Hamitic, many believe the origin were closely tied to the Hebrews or Semitic race because they have stories comparable to biblical accounts told from mouth to mouth. The Maasai may have once been in contact with races influenced by ancient Egypt and may represent a degeneration of another race, rather than Oromo. The data is written by Father Martial di Salvic. This is an Italian who wrote a book, Naji the Oromo, in 1901. Nana, I came across this book in Addis Ababa. I was working in Oromo region in Ethiopia. I was curious to study them. The Oromo. Interestingly, it presents concern about the potential link between the Maasai and the Oromo. What I found out. Some authors group the Maasai with the Oromo immigrants, implying a similar heritage or historical connection. Here are chromosomal similarities that has been observed between the Maasai and the Oromo. And when I talk about Oromo is a big tribe in Ethiopia. Their firstborn son or their senior most na Borana, just like the mass speakers na Argesongo. The Boranas in Kenya and in Ethiopia. Here Gabra, Sakuye. Yeah. There are like 7 tribes in Ethiopia and Ajiege Oromo. A 2009 investigation said the Maasai autosomal DNA discovered evidence of different cluster assignment from Nilo-Sahara and Cushitic ancestors. This is consistent with the genetic evidence of Cushitic absorption of Nilotics over the vast last 3,000 years. Another one by Wood 205, he performed a Y chromosome analysis in various sub-Saharan tribes, including the Maasai, and discovered the presence of haplogroup E1B1B-M35 in a large proportion of the Maasai tested. This genetic marker is also seen in northern Cushitic men, implying a common ancestor extending back over 13,000 years ago. Connection. According to Olonganejingai Hoskins 2001, markers fascinating research na Jidai Maasai in Berlin 1904 gives a distinct perspective of the Maasai historical roots. Markers speculate that the Maasai may have shared an ancestral origin with the ancient Hebrews. Modern Christian Maasai has seen parallels between the biblical Maasai and their ancestor. Maasai son, the Bible a Maasai son of Yathar, chief of 13, is mentioned in 1 Chronicles chapter 12 verse 1 and 2 of the Aramaic Bible in plain English. 1 Chronicles chapter 9 verse 12 of Nejo, Adaiah the son of Yerocham, the son of Pashur, the son of Malchiah, and Maasai the son of Adiel, the son of Yaschera, the son of Meshulam, and the